data karon diri sa Diocese of Iligan kuna sa Gihimo ang 18th Mindanao Sulu Pastoral Conference sugod niadtong Oktubre 20 and hangtod kini Oktubre 24 and usa sa mga nag-apil nga mga delegados gikan sa Archdiocese of Zambis ang atuang anaa sa akadem sa itong mga Katolikong tulugaan sa Archdiocese Commission on Education atong makauban din nga mahina Dr. Ray Gumisad labot sa maong pagtambo no sa 18th Mindanao Sulu Pastoral Conference din may na. Doc, may ganaw.
May adlaw sa tanan, may adlaw po Brad Manuel.
Okay, Doc, by the way, no, may nagdanon kayo no alang sa tibok simbahan namin sa Mindanao no and kining maong activity no sa Mindanao Sulu Pastoral Conference.
Tinuod gayud kana tungod kay kini nagalangkob sa kinatibukan nga kaakuhan sa simbahan isip maoy gihatagan og dako nga responsibilidad aron mapalambo ang kinabuhi sa katawhan, espirituhanon man o material ug usab importante kayo uban pod ang atong kinaiyahan kay karon atong nasinati ang daghan na kayong mga kalamidad. Kung kita mag-andam lang sa atong espirituhanon wala tay pagpakabana sa atong kinaiyahan unay gingon ba nga saon man kung magsige lang tag-ampo pero wala tay pagpakabana sa atong palibot. So mga paningkamutan o gipaningkamutan sa 18th MSPC nga maglangkob gayod ang bag-o nga evangelisasyon nga maoy sentro nining maong conference.
Sa unang adlaw no usa may mga isgutan no and hangtod sa karon
Sa
pizza 23 naman no and 24 man mahuman.
Sa unang adlaw gisgutan ang gitawag natong peace situation in Mindanao regarding the so-called BARM or regarding our relationship with the Muslims and also
the Bangsamoro
the Bangsamoro, and also the program of the government how to resolve the conflict between the Muslim and the Christians. Pero there are a lot of problems still due to I cannot explain because in our archdiocese we don't have any Muslim people. But after that, the responsible area, like for example, those dioceses that has Muslims, they have all those activities presented in the talk of attorney. And then after that, we have the presentations of the 17th MSPC, the result and the need to improve, and also the talk about the ecology, the importance of ecology, the importance of being careful. It was presented by Bishop of I don't know, I forgot the name, but it is present in the program.
Pero importante ang ecology, no, gisgutan.
It's very important including our Misamis Occidental, the Mount Malindang, the Mount Apo. And then Bishop presented that we in Mindanao is the source of food in the entire country. A lot of presentations about that. Then after that, we have the family and life, the youth, and now, lastly, we have the process and the things that we are going to do in preparation of the 2033 Great Jubilee celebration. We called it the new evangelization for the preparation of the 2033 Jubilee celebration of our salvation.
Okay, pasalamat na sa Archdiocese of Zambis no naglangkab sa Misamis Occidental. Majority sa kadaghanan sa mga katawhan is Catholic mo na nga and pero natay mga igsoon po nga like diri no Diocese of Iligan naay mga igsoon po nato nga mga kaning Muslims no and sa part gisgutan ba kung sa po'y bato no isip usa ka Kristiyanos no nga mga conflict.
Well, they are expressing how they manage the faith dialogue, and then they explain that uh, we have to respect their identity, and then we have to abide what are their requests. For that's for all, in order to have really what is peace. Ang kalinaw, may importante tayo.
I see. Okay. As naa sa Archdiocese Commission on Education, saan na to na pag-apply the rest katong giskuta, no? Okay. Nasayod ta ka dako kaayo ang kaning ang kabahin, no, sa atong mga Katoliko nga mga school sa mga tulugan sa pag-andam sa atong mga umaabot, no, umaabot
Yeah.
nga mga the future, no, and ang mga kabataan nato.
Based from my observations and plan as a representative of the Catholic schools in our Archdiocese of Osamis, in this MSPC, we have a lot of responsibilities. And then also, we have, as Catholic schools, we have to perform our role as the strong and source of being an evangelization arm of the church. It is already observed and presented using the Philippine Catholic School standards that Catholic schools must be a place for holiness, must be a place for teaching, and a place for caring our learners, our future generation. And then the Catholic schools must be equipped on how to implement and arrange and process the so-called new evangelization. Because as what I've observed, based from this conference, there are a lot of things that we are going to consider, not only on prayer, but many. There are so many activities, formations, and then research-based, so that we can compare the past and in the preparation for the future. So gitawag na to na research-based implementation of the programs for the preparation of the incoming celebration of the Great Jubilee, the 2033.
Okay.
And then I already expect that schools, like for example here in Iligan,
yeah.
they have their research committee for this celebration, this conference. And so due to that, they prepare everything because of it.
I see. Okay, so importante kayo nagid akong role, no, ang sa
Yes.
academe, no, ilabi na ato mga sa Catholic schools.
As a Catholic school.
And kay basin unya og moingon ang mga future generation wa man ninyo tudloy ana,
Correct.
di ba? Kamo ba
Right,
po'y nakaguba sa kinaiyahan. Ano
And also-
man ninyo namo, di ba?
And also, it is very, very important to include how to manage the digital natives, especially the recent sana aspect of our young. Anang gitawag na itong mga digital natives. There are a lot of description based from the presentation of Dr. Britannia about the youth.
Okay. Lisod ba din to implement sa atong mga schools?
It is
Sayon.
I could not say that it is difficult,
Yeah.
pero kung tabangan, paningkamutan o pangandaman, masulbad o ma-implement, yun ang tanan.
Okay. So salamat kayo labot yan Doke, and the rest of taas pag yun ang pagpanganam kay sa kining Great Jubilee, no?
Yeah.
2033,
We have
no?
the presenter lastly in the person of Monsignor Edelberto Mahinay, the rector of Rimasi Seminary in Davao, pero BG siya sa Amati ba to? Tagum. Present everything, the program of or activities on how to celebrate properly. We have 3 years. We have 2025 to 28, 28 to 30, ano ba? Then 30 to 33.
Okay, so taas-taas ang pagbagadap. And,
Yeah, 9
siguro,
years. 9 years? Saan naman taron?
Wow, 2025.
2025, mga 8 years. Pero yun na ang preparation. Nato gi-present niya.
Sa part sa academic, sa man nato na makita na to nga kini ni gamot na lang to sa mga kabataan nato kini nga pagtulunan since karon, no, and hangtod sa 2033, no, sa Great Jubilee.
So for me, I will suggest that on every Catholic schools and on every also associations of Catholic schools, there are committees that being designate on how or what programs and activities that they are going to perform to implement in the school. I will suggest that this celebration we will add committee on the group of A schools, the Archdiocese of Osamis, in order to focus and prepare this great celebration, because in our Archdiocese we have a lot of things that we are going to prepare, because we celebrate the 75th year in preparation of our Diamond Jubilee as a local church in the
It's coming
Archdiocese.
2026, di ba?
Yeah, 26.
Okay. So, not only siguro, no, mas maayo nga dili lang di arakotol sa atong mga Catholic mga schools, apil na siguro kay nasayta nga mga parokya na may mga gialanggaran po nga mga public schools through sa atong mga catechists, di ba?
Yeah, pero on our representation from our Archdiocese of Osamis, we have priest in charge for the catechist.
Yeah.
So the pastoral committee, the pastoral committee chaired by Father Tony, he will be the one to meet and then assign who will be the actors and actresses during that gitawag na to og preparation and implementation of the incoming celebration.
I see. Okay, so salamat kayo labot na Doc. And nasayta every 3 years man rin, no,
ang preparation.
Mindanao Sulu Pastoral Conference, di ba?
Yeah.
Every 3 years this year, and sabi batag tuig siguro dunay sabay gihospital dunay hinahinay nga pagi, di ba?
There are lot of kay like for example in myself, gi-assign ng Father Tony na po sa BEC, and then we have our meeting on January 13 and 14, 2026. Focus lang min sa BEC. That will be also in preparation of the next MSPC. Kay ang BEC man yun mo in charge sa kinatibuk-an dito sa gitawag na to og masaba. Kanang dito na gyud sa mga individuals as Catholic faithful, by family, maraming gina. Kay kung sa mata dres taas kung wala ang gitawag na to og
BC
tuwa sa basic.
Okay, so thank you, salamat kay labot na okay, and kining maong 8th Mindanao Sulu Pastoral Conference. So daghang mga nakatunan, no, in part sa imo sa academic, and sa mga nagtambong, no, nga mga kaparian nato, and of course, no,
A great challenge for us as participants. And also if we have that challenges, we have to prepare. And
thank you, Doc. And siguro ang imong ipabot masin na kay mga pot pa nga wala mo na pangutana nga labot in relation for this activity nga buti may pabot labi na sa itong mga paminaw, labi na sa katawan sa archdiocese nga usapis.
Well, kay imo manggi gipangutana what how we begin and how we end. So moto ang arrangement sa mga topics that we had discussed. Dayon, the host bishop also explained how they manage, how they prepare this event, this activity, this MSPC. So siguro mga sa naman taron 2025, mga 2028. I do not know, but it is on the other ano ba yan? Supragan? Supragan area.
Yeah. Okay. So, thank you, Doki. Salamat kayo sa inyo. Nakaubang ka na mo.
Why sa pa yan, Brad?
Okay.
Why sa pa yan?
So, thank you. Ato nakaubang si Dr. Ray Gumisad, ang sa Archdiocese Commission on Education and naapon sa academe, nag-represent sa academe sa Archdiocese sa Osapis.